Hey guys, today we're gonna be repotting my pumpkins. Some of them, well, one of them is probably not ready yet, but this specific one has two that grew in it, and I definitely need to separate it. So well, maybe I won't separate it just yet. I'll let it grow a little bit bigger. So that baby is not ready. Maybe I can separate them like this. And then in, what day is it? In like 2 weeks, I will have my soil in the ground ready to go. So then they can be planted in there. And I got one more that I think I'm going to do today. Its roots are sticking out the bottom. Alright, that one didn't come out as nicely, but I think it's still going to make it. And one more that's just a baby, but I want to get... Wow, look at the roots on that thing. And my itty bitty little one. Alright, there's my pumpkins getting ready to go out to the farm. Thanks for watching.